Hi, my name is Kenneth. Welcome to another episode of our YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about my new toy, the GoPro Max. Basically, I bought this new gift or gadget at $547, even though it's retailing at $740. Now, for more information on stack discounts, I've added a card here. So basically, I use GrabPay and UOB One card to save 10%. On top of that, gift card from Qoo10 on 2%, $80 voucher from Qoo10, and finally a store discount of $30, thus reducing the $740 to $547. Now, there are a couple of advantages. Of course, you save a lot of money in buying something as cheap as possible, given that it's just been launched this week. But more so, what I've done is that when you want to upgrade your gadget or camera later on, you can sell this at Carousel without much of a loss. In fact, that's what I did. I've upgraded my Hero 7 Black to a GoPro Max without much loss at all. So what are the couple of features I like about this GoPro Max? I'm going to talk a little bit about the physical attributes and then talk about the main features. Now, for a start, I'm very happy with this GoPro Max because it has two cameras and a screen that I can see myself while vlogging. So that's very useful. On top of that, there's no longer a cage that I need to put this gadget and camera on because there are now mounting screws at the bottom. Thus, it renders the previous setup of having a cage useless. On top of that, the battery and the micro SD card now is at the side, so I can actually make changes without having to remove it from the rig. Now, these are the couple of physical attributes that I find extremely useful. Now, more importantly, the footage from the GoPro Max is a lot better than the GoPro Hero 7, as you can see here. And the most useful part of this is certainly having to shoot video in 360 degrees and then later at post-edit decide on what angle you would like to choose. Another big feature here is the panoramic photo shot that's at 270 degrees. But most people will say that their handphones can do that by scrolling through from left to right. But the GoPro Max takes it at one shot. Now, what's the major difference here? If you have people walking around in your scene, an instant snapshot of panoramic captures that. But if you use your handphone to stitch, you find that at certain stitching points, certain artifacts seem to be out of place, like people being halved or being stretched. So that's another area where the panoramic shot on the GoPro Max is extremely useful. And one final feature which I like a lot is the time warp. I could never really understand how to set up the time warp properly, but with this auto feature now, I don't really bother. I just start record and it goes and shoot. So there you have it, my new gadget, GoPro Max. I hope to be using it a lot more frequently. Now that I have this camera, it's handy. I just pick it up and go, and maybe more footage to come. See you next time.